In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Cloudflare API key in just 5 minutes. Let's begin by ensuring you have access to your Cloudflare account. It's important to note that having a Cloudflare account is necessary to access your API key. If you haven't done so already, you'll want to log into your Cloudflare account, or if you're new, create one. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Profiles section. It's located in the top right corner of your dashboard. This is where you can make adjustments to your account settings and personal information. Next, click on My Profile to gain further access to your account details. On this page, you will find various tabs, and the one we're interested in is API Tokens. Go ahead and click on that. The API Tokens tab is your primary destination for managing your API tokens, providing the tools you need to enhance your website's performance. Once you're in the API Tokens section, locate the Global API Key. The Global API Key is a versatile tool that grants you significant control over your account. It's essential for integrations with various third-party services or setting up API-based automations. After locating the Global API Key, you'll see an option to view it. Click this to proceed. At this point, Cloudflare will request a verification step for security purposes. Click on Send Verification Code to receive this code. It will be sent to the email address associated with your Cloudflare account, so ensure you have access to your email. Open your email inbox and find the message from Cloudflare containing the verification code. Enter this code back on the Cloudflare dashboard where prompted. This process ensures that only verified account holders can access sensitive information like the API key. Once you've entered the verification code, click on the option to verify. This finalizes the security check and grants you access to view your API key. At this stage, click on View again to reveal your API key. Now that you have your API key displayed, it's crucial to copy this key and store it securely. Given its significance, it's best practice to keep it in a safe place, such as a password manager, to prevent unauthorized access to your account. Remember, this key provides extensive control over your Cloudflare settings and services, so handle it with care. With that, you've successfully retrieved your Cloudflare API key. This key will empower you to integrate various applications and enhance your site's performance efficiently. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the potential of Cloudflare to optimize and secure your online presence.